Here we go with our final trade of the day, and a lot of people are watching this Disney trade now that there's a tie-up with 21st Century Fox. So I'm bringing in Mark Sebastian to talk about the stock. What do you think about Disney at these levels?
I love it. I love it. I think that anywhere in this range, it's a really interesting play because all of their current business is kind of priced in, but I don't think they've priced in the ability of this new Netflix model to really blow things out of the water. I look at this new Disney conglomerate's ability to pull business from Netflix. I think that every person that has a kid aged 2 to aged 15 those kids are going to want this Disney streaming a lot more than something like Netflix. Why? Well, this Disney streaming is going to have things like Star Wars series. They're going to have the princess stuff they're going to have all the little kid movies. I think it makes a lot more sense for people with children to move their model to move to that streaming model. And Netflix's loss could be Disney's gains. I like Disney to keep rallying.
Well, the options market is suggesting it will continue to keep rallying because we saw a lot of call buyers in the market yesterday, all the way up to that 115th strike. What do you think?
I think a trip above 110 is almost certainly in the cards.
You do?
I do. And I think that into the end of the year, yeah, I could see a run to 115. But what I really like is the ability of this thing to grow for the next 2 years. I mean, think about the valuation of Netflix. It's almost as big as Disney.
Will it bring down Netflix shares?
I absolutely think so. I think that if I had Netflix in my portfolio, I don't, I would be taking that off and putting more into Disney, because I think Disney, if they do this right with ESPN, with all of the Disney properties and now all the Fox properties, how big of a content portfolio are they going to have? How big of a content portal will this be? I think that Disney is going to become a whale of streaming content, which means it probably needs to be valued at a multiple much higher than a traditional media company.
You are very bullish on Disney. Thanks so much for coming on the show.